Hello friends, welcome back to the one new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to upload this Oppo phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to reboot Oppo mobile with new setting. Friends, today friends I will show guys your Oppo phone guys secret setting. Then friends you can reboot your phone without press any button. Friends, let's see how to reboot and restart guys. They both are same meaning as you know. So when how to reboot Oppo phone, click on phone setting. After phone setting friends, you will have to find your accessibility setting. Where is accessibility setting on Oppo phone? So friends, you can find your accessibility on your additional setting. After on additional setting friends, you can see this type of interface. Friends, click on accessibility and friends again scroll it. Friends, you can see accessibility menu setting. So you will have to enable your accessibility menu shortcut button. Tap here and OK option. Friends, your accessibility menu will on. And friends, you can see here this man icon. Friends, tap here. Friends, you can increase brightness, you can increase volume. Friends, you want to lock a screen, you can lock a screen, you can take a screenshot. So friends, click on power off setting and friends you can see power off. Friends, you want to power off, so friends you can power off, and friends you will have to restart means reboot. So we will click on restart option, tap here, and guys your phone will automatic off, and friends your phone will automatic on. Wait and watch. So if I will not press any button on my phone, then phone will on automatic. So after 20 and 25 seconds your phone will on guys. So I wait for 20 seconds. So then phone will on after 20 and 25 seconds guys. So now we will swipe, and now guys we can use our phone. So like that guys, you can reboot, restart your Oppo phone without press any button. So and friends, click on this man icon, tap here accessibility setting. Friends, after accessibility setting, friends click on this accessibility menu setting, and friends you can remove this man icon. Tap here, this icon will remove. So like that friends, we can reboot our Oppo phone device. So bye bye guys, thanks for watching the video.